a brand new trailer, njstar Explorer travel trailer, and this trailer will pick up by the customer today. And here is the customer's car. See, we have ceremony for the customer pick up the trailer, and this is Japan. It's a historical car. It's very nice quantity. It's very durable, they say, this kind of car. So let's take a look at the trailer first. See, the surface is very smooth. We have a 3 meter by 3 meter side tent, and right now this trailer is fully extended. Let's take a look at the back. 40D toolbox in total, and this is a solar panel on top of the trailer. And there is a rear luggage. We can customize a cover for the rear luggage. And this is the trailer underneath, and the license plate will be installed in the stainless steel plate. And 10-liter diesel oil tank, air conditioner fan, and a pair of stainless steel support back. And also, let's take a look at the chassis. Independent suspension system. Okay, let's take a look from this view. And now this trailer is fully extended, you see. Fully extended, very nice one. 5 meter long, 2 meter and 2 meters width and height. When it's fully extended pop-up tent, the highest area on the trailer is over 2 meters. See here, we are using a double layer acrylic window. It's hollow, double layer acrylic window. You can take a look from the inside. And let's take a look at the independent suspension system. This is the independent suspension system. The chassis, a big spring, very strong. And we are using flow forming aluminum rim off-road tire. And also we have a full-size off-road spare tire. And you see here, you can fix the door here. And let's take a look from this view. Here, this view. Let me introduce you from this view. Fully extended, and we have a 3 meter by 3 meter side tent. You can expand the side tent manually, and it's easy to retract. And also from the front view, you see this is the side tent, fully extended. This is the front view, trailer hitch front view. And these are the high density nylon material, and also with the side tent is also high density nylon material. This is the trailer hitch. And 2 safety chains, hot dip galvanized, manual brake, and we are using electronic manual brake. It can synchronize with the brake and synchronize with the front car. And there is a stainless steel slide out kitchen. You can refer from the previous videos. And you see here, and this is a stainless steel set. And also these are all the stainless steel material. The pop-up tent using the hydraulic design. Also with the high density nylon material, waterproof. So let's take a look from the trailer inside. This is the inside of the trailer. You see the inside design is very functional and very useful. A 12-volt air conditioner on camper, and also there is a carbon monoxide alarm by the 12-volt air conditioner, 3 stainless steel hooks, and this is the ceiling. The ceiling is the aviation aluminum cover, and also we are using the leather material for the wall. And there is a manually liftable table, and there is an induction cooker on the camper. You can have the household electricity by open the 2000 watt inverter. Also, there are 2 household electricity plug on the camper. The one is in front of me. I can zoom in. You can see it. This is a household electricity plug. And also on this camper, we are using aluminum anodized frame material. Aluminum anodized sandblasting frame material. And this is an expandable tent. You can sleep 2 person here also. And this is a roundable sofa. The size, when it put down, it can sleep 2 person, 2 meter by 1.85 meters. You can sleep 2 adults. And also we have an on-camper restroom here. On-camper restroom. Let's take a look. As you see here, we have a portable toilet together with the camper, the stainless steel floor. And also the teak floor is this is a unique point, the teak floor. And there is a stage. And this is a 40 litre capacity refrigerator. This is the control panel. The control panel, you can see the water pump, signal, roll 9 bar, AC air conditioner, and USB charging port, MP5 music system, 2000 watt inverter, and 350 watt solar panel. And this is a water tank display. And there is also a secret lighter. Secret lighter is underneath the solar panel display. And this is the household electricity plug. So this is the overview of the inside. And now it's cleaned, so we couldn't step in. So this is the overview of this will be ready to shave trailer for our customers.